Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing another one of our little Magic 101 classes, and today is going to be over blood. So if there is a spell that requires blood, or a demon that wants blood as an offering, then you need to go by a few different rules. So I know that there's a lot of people who get into this magic and they're like, oh, I'm very experienced. And maybe so, and that's really wonderful. But you have to remember that demonic magic is quite a bit different than other fields, and you need to make sure you go by the book. So never put blood on a hex candle unless you are asked to. Make sure that you do not do this, because what blood is it's basically your energy signature, and unless there's a specific way that a spell works to go through you first, then do not do this. Otherwise you are going to direct that spell at you. Don't do it. Literally only do it if it specifically requires it in the rules, and if it has, then that spell has already been granted safeties and has boundaries on it, and you are going to be okay. Never use anyone else's blood, ever. Never. If something is asking for blood, then that means it's your blood. And do not go slit your veins. Don't go crazy. Literally a drop of blood or two is just fine. That's all you need. Like usually 1 or 2 drops at the most. So you can go get like a little lancet or something, or a needle, and just like prick a finger, and that's it. No need to like cause a gushing waterfall. Don't be crazy. Never take someone else's blood. Again, I can't stress that enough. Don't hurt anyone. We don't believe in like harming people to complete your ritual. Don't do that. It's absolutely crazy. Don't use an animal's blood for any reason. Shouldn't even have to say that. We don't believe in animal sacrifice. We don't believe in human sacrifice. Don't do it. Anyway, let's see. Oh, menstrual blood. No. So, there are a lot of traditions that believe that menstrual blood has a lot of power and whatnot. Again, demonic magic is extremely high magic, and you're dealing with like super divine beings. A lot of other fields deal with what we consider lowers, and like lower beings that will do favors for you for lower offerings. But when you're dealing with royal demonic entities, never give them menstrual blood. Just don't do it. Menstrual blood is dead, coagulated blood. It's dead. And, people say, oh, it's a life source. No, it's dead. It's dead. What's more powerful is the blood that's in your veins. Like, do not mistake that and offer like dead, old, rotting blood and think that that's like some kind of offering, because it's like a slap in the face to a demon. Maybe a lower would like it. Maybe some other kind of entity would like it. Demons are absolutely offended by this. Don't ever, ever, ever do it. Again, 1 or 2 drops of fresh blood from a finger is fine. Don't go crazy. Don't harm yourself. You're responsible for everything you do in this field. That's just a little legal disclaimer. Don't be crazy. Like, just as long as you use this magic safely and like we tell you to, everything will work out great. So again, no menstrual blood, no blood from anyone else, no blood from animals. Do not put blood on hex candles for any reason unless you're told to. And there's a couple different maybe 2 main different like strings of demonic magic, and like one thinks it's okay, but no, like know what we're doing. and these spells have been done for a long time. So no blood in hexes unless you're called to, because only specific spells will go through you to go to your target. Be careful. Always be careful. Don't want you to hex yourself. Don't want you to hurt yourself. I love you all. Be good to each other. And let me know below if you have any questions. And we love you guys. So see you around.